In this video, we'll show you how to import orders from external sales channels. This tool allows you to easily import and fulfill non-Printify orders with Printify equivalents or personalized orders that need customized artwork every time. Here is my Printify account. If we head to the Orders tab, we can see a tab called Other. Here, you can find all orders from your store that have SKU numbers which have not been previously imported into Printify. When you open one of these orders, you'll see a button called Select Product. This will help you navigate through our catalog and choose the product variant that's associated with this order. When you click Next, you can add the appropriate design. Now the order is ready to be imported. After I click Import, it will automatically be moved to my main Printify orders list. If another order on my store is placed with this exact same SKU number, it will automatically be recognized by Printify and update the status to Artwork Needed. This way, the product variant will already be selected so that I can distinguish it right away and add the necessary design to import the order. Additionally, each order I fulfill this way will create a new product in the My Store tab with the order ID and the name of the customer so that I can easily locate it later on, should I have to.